In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use indicators on Ctrader. By the end, you'll know how to open a chart, find the indicators panel, choose the right indicator for your analysis, fine-tune its settings, add it to your chart, and save your setup so you can reuse it. If you're new to this, it's a great idea to practice on a demo account, and remember, indicators help you interpret price action, but they don't guarantee outcomes. Start by launching Ctrader on your desktop or in your browser and sign in. Give the platform a moment to load your workspaces and market data. A stable connection is important because indicators calculate in real time as new prices arrive. Next, pick any symbol and open its chart. You can use the watch list or the search bar to find a market, then double-click it to open a chart. Choose a time frame that suits your style. Shorter time frames for fast moves, longer ones for broader trends. If you prefer candlesticks, switch the chart type now so your indicator readings match how you normally view price. Open the Indicators panel from the main toolbar. You can also right-click directly on the chart and choose Indicators. This panel organizes tools into categories like Trend, Oscillators, Volatility, and Volume, making it easy to navigate. Choose an indicator that matches the question you're trying to answer. Moving averages and Bollinger Bands help with trend and volatility. RSI and stochastic are popular for momentum and potential overbought or oversold conditions. Volume-based tools can confirm participation behind a move. If you're unsure, start with one simple indicator to avoid clutter. Configure the indicator's settings to fit your chart. Common options include period or length, the price source such as close or typical price, and the calculation type for averages. You can usually set colors, line thickness, and whether the indicator is drawn on the price chart or in a separate panel below it. Longer periods smooth out noise. Shorter periods react faster but can create more false signals. If you don't have a preference yet, the defaults are a sensible baseline. Add the indicator to the chart by confirming or applying the settings. It will appear immediately. To adjust or remove it later, open its settings from the chart or the indicators list and tweak the parameters until the display is clear and helpful. Finally, save your setup. Save the chart as a template, so you can apply the same indicators and styling to other symbols, and consider saving your layout or workspace so your arrangement is preserved the next time you log in.